Okay, so in this question, once again, you're going to see a lot of this in this chapter. Find the equation of a line. In order to write an equation of a line in the form y equals mx plus b, what two variables do I need to replace to write an equation of a line? What do I need to know? The two things we need to know. Yep. M and B. Good. I need to know the M and I need to know the B. Once I know M and B, plug it in, and there's my equation of the line, just like we saw earlier. So in this question, they tell you the slope is equal to negative 1 over 3, and they tell you that the equation you're writing has to have the same y-intercept as this line. What piece of information do we know right now? In order to write an equation of a line, we need to know the slope and we need to know the y-intercept. Do we know either of those?
We know the slopes.
Good, we know the slope. What is it?
Negative 1 over 3.
This is the M, okay? Do I know the y-intercept?
No.
Why not? Yep.
So the other equation isn't in the same form as the other one.
Excellent. This equation is not in slope-intercept form. I can't just look at this and say, oh, I know the y-intercept, it's 7. It's not. It has to be in slope-intercept form, okay? So what do we need to do with this equation? Yes? Isolate y. So let's do that. 2x minus 4y plus 7 equals 0. I need to put this into slope-intercept form so that I can easily identify the y-intercept. So we're trying to isolate y. Yes? Okay, how did you get negative 2x? Good. Positive on the left side, so it becomes negative 2x. And what happens to the plus 7? Becomes negative 7. I also need to put that on the right side of the equation. Am I done? Did I isolate y? Can I say, oh, the y-intercept's negative 7? No, because it's not in slope-intercept form. How do I isolate y? Yes? Divide by negative 4. What do I need to do to the right side? Divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. I'm left with y equals... let's leave this as a fraction in lowest terms. What's a negative divided by a negative?
Positive.
Positive. 2 over 4 in lowest terms would be 1 over 2 x. And a negative makes a positive 7 over 4. We'll leave that as a fraction. Okay, so all I've done is I've taken this equation and I've rearranged it so that it's in slope-intercept form. Now that it's in slope-intercept form, what information do I need from that equation to answer this question? What did the question tell us? They told us you need to come up with an equation that has this slope and the same y-intercept as that line. Well, now that it's in slope-intercept form, who can tell me what is the y-intercept? What's the y-intercept of this line? Which one's the B? 7 over 4 is my y-intercept. So B is equal to 7 over 4. And like we discussed earlier, M is equal to negative 1 over 3. Now I have the two pieces of information I need to write the equation of the line. The question said, write the equation of the line. Y equals negative 1 over 3x plus 7 over 4. That's the equation of a line that has a slope that they told us and a y-intercept that was the same as the other equation.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.